We are super excited that you're going to be participating in an upcoming WebiFair with us. I'm going to quickly show you all of the features and functionalities of the platform so you'll be ready to go when your event day comes. So first, we will send you a link to the enrollment form for the platform. This is just to get you registered in the WebiFairs backend itself. You can just type in your name, your email, pretty simple, confirm. You should get a confirmation email. And then after you've registered, then we will go in the back end and set your permissions to presenter so that you'll be able to access your virtual room and test everything out. Once we've been able to do that, you can log into the system. You'll be brought right into the profile page here. If you click on universities in the top left, that's going to be the first thing you should check. That will bring you to the university profile page, so you can go ahead and just look at your profile, make sure everything looks fine. You can click on details, which will show you the full profile. This is based on the form that you submitted for us. And then make sure that your PDFs are here, your files and brochures. Everything looks good. After that, then you can go ahead and head to the virtual lobby, which is right here in the very top of the page. The virtual lobby is where students will be able to meet all the universities that are here live. So you can see all the different rooms here. So you can just scroll through, and when you find your room, you can go ahead and click on it. And you should get a pop-up like this. One thing that's really important is make sure that you're using Google Chrome when you are on the WebiFairs platform. Otherwise, you might face some tech issues with another browser, so please make sure you use Google Chrome, and also please make sure that you clear your cache and your cookies before you log in. So when you come to your room, you might get a little pop-up somewhere over here that says, would you like to allow this website to access your microphone and camera? You say yes. Then here you can select which camera and microphone you want to use. I'm just going to use my default. And then you click Join Now, and that will bring you into your virtual room. And you should be able to go ahead and see yourself right in the screen right here. So let me take you through some of the features here so you're ready to go. Right on the right-hand side here, you'll be able to see the chat box. All the students who enter your room will enter as viewers, which means that they only have typing capabilities. They will only be able to come on camera and audio if you invite them to do so. So if you would like to do that, under the Visitors tab, you'll be able to see all the students who would be in the room showing up under the Viewers section. They'll have this little arrow to the right of their name, just like this one. And if you'd like to invite them on camera, then you can just click that arrow. They will receive a pop-up on their end asking if they would like to come on video, and they'll have to accept or decline. And if you want to remove someone from video, you can do it that same way. And then also check out your brochures tab over here to make sure that all of your brochures look good and they're fine. And if you'd like to upload anything else, you can also do that right here. And so before you go, the 3 important things that you need to check: make sure that your microphone, camera, and screen sharing are working. So camera, you can always turn off, turn on with this disable, enable at the bottom here. You can mute yourself. There you go. You can mute yourself if you want. If you want to do screen sharing, if you're going to share a presentation, this is the button you're going to need. So click on screen sharing. You should get 3 options. One is to share your entire screen, one is to share an application window, and one is to share a Chrome tab. So if you want to share a Chrome tab, one thing that you could maybe do is just select that, click share, and that will go ahead and see I have this tab open and it's sharing the enrollment form here. And you can go ahead and go back to the virtual room, and you'll see that the students in the room, whoever's in the room, will actually be seeing my Chrome tab even though I'm back in the room. So this is a good way to have something open that the students are seeing, but I can still be in here and keep an eye on the chat box. However, if you are not able to open your presentation in a Chrome tab, or if you want to share it another way, another option is just to share your entire screen. If you do that and this happens, please don't be alarmed. It just means that you're sharing your screen, which is a vision of your screen inside another screen inside another screen, and that's fine. So those are the things you need to make sure that you know how to do. If you face any tech issues, you might want to try just refreshing the page. That can help. Or you can just try going back to the virtual lobby here and then entering your room again. That can do the trick as well. If you have any students in the room who face any tech issues, like maybe they're saying they can't hear you or something like that, 9 times out of 10 it's because they're not using Google Chrome. But what you need to do is just send them to the help desk. So there is a WebiFairs help desk that they can access from the virtual lobby or from the left-hand side here. Just go ahead and ask them to visit the help desk, and our staff will be in there. We'll help them figure out their tech issues and send them back here so that they will be able to keep interacting with you. As you can see over on the left here, students can actually just scroll through and see all the different universities that are here and very easily enter and exit the rooms as they would like to do so. It's pretty easy. If you have any issues at all, please let us know. And again, just make sure you're using Google Chrome, make sure you clear your cache and your cookies, and you should be all set. We can't wait to see you at the WebiFair.